Hi friends, welcome back. So friends, in this video we are going to make a slideshow. Okay, so that is called slider also, and we can design best slide in the WordPress using Divi themes. Okay, so guys, we are on the topic of creating a slide on a home page. Okay, so this is my home page where I'm going to create one 3-page slide, or a number of slide you can create how much ever you want it. So guys, let's go to our dashboard. I mean the website dashboard. So if you are familiar with the WordPress, it will be very cool. Okay, so let's click on the pages which we have created a home page. So this is my home page. Okay, so home fund of web IT. Okay, so I'm on the home page right now. So let's go back to our home page dashboard and click on home page. So let's edit this. Okay, so we are going to create one slide show. Okay, so this is a default thing which I have used for the just for the demo purpose, that is welcome to fund of web IT. Okay, so now um, okay, so this is a text box which is displayed into this, the fund of web IT. Okay, welcome to fund of web IT. I'll show you that. So let's click on this. See here, welcome to fund of web IT, it's written, right? So that is the output which we get over here. So guys, what I want is that I want to create a slideshow, right? So let me close this. I mean, I don't need this, so but let's leave it below it. Okay, so I'm going to take there are a standard section, full width section, specialty section, add from the libraries. Add from library means whatever the template you have saved, like for the any design purpose, so you can just add your own design things, okay, which you have saved it. So let's say I'm going to take a full width section. Okay, so this is a section now, so we can move this section at the top. Okay, so let this be below itself. So this is my full width section, so let's set this first. Okay, so always make sure your spacing should be, that is margin top and bottom should be always 0. Okay, 0 0, so it is pixels. Okay, so 0 pixels. If you don't give px also, it will take it as default, that is pixel. Okay, so make sure top and bottom, okay, not right and left. So let's save this. Okay, save it. So guys, now let's insert the module. So let's click on that and search header image with menu, portfolio, post slider, post title, full width slider. So it's over here. So let's click on that, and it comes full width slider module settings. Okay, so guys, now let's add new one slide. Okay, so inside this we are telling that text, that is heading. Okay, so I'm going to tell is that heading welcome to funda of web IT. Okay, this is a button text, whatever you can give, or else default it will give click here or click next, whatever the default will be. Okay, so I'm going to type is that explore now. Okay, so this will be my button name, and the content you can give here, hello, this is a video on creating a slide show or slider. Okay, whatever. So done, and let's, if you want the image, slide image, you can upload it, or a video image if you want, you can upload it. Okay, or else you can give the background color or the background image, right? So first I will tell you what is the difference of uploading image over here and the background thing. Okay, so this is a background color, so default color it is given as these things. So I'm going to take this one color. Okay, so let's save it. Make sure that go to design and if you want overlay on it, you can give overlay, which means I will tell you in detail. Wait a second in this, and let's go to that spacing one. So spacing, it's over here, so let it set it 0 0 and save this. Okay, so we have saved now. So let's copy this. So this box, rectangle box, means copying it. Okay, so 3 slide I have done it. Okay, so we will edit this on this main page only. Okay, so let's save this, and yes, okay, saved. But we didn't set the spacing for this also. Let's set it. Open that, go to design, and the spacing, what is that given? Top 0, we have to give 0. Save it. Okay, so make sure you give always 0 and adjust according to your wish. Okay, so let's update this. So with full width slider it is now, it is updating. So let's wait for the output. So it's still loading, still updating. So it's getting updated now, and finally it's updated. So let's go to the home page and reload the page. So it is on home page. Okay, so this is the slide which we are getting right now. Okay, so guys, we need this slide to be little bigger and some attractive look. Okay, so these are the 3 slide which is looking something. See, we can see the buttons also. This is because of we set the top and bottom as 0, right? So because of that purpose it is come over here like this it is. So we can design this on enable visual builder. So I'm going to click on that, and let's design this as a simple way. Okay, so it's loading, and let's wait for it. Okay, so it's loaded now. So it's still loading, just a simple thing. Okay, so this is our main section, full width section, and these are the modules which is inside it. Okay, so right now we are going to set the section 1. So let's click on that. I'll show you where you have to click. Okay, so this is the setting icon. So let's click on that, and let's move aside this one, and let's go to the design and the spacing. So always give not margin, padding. Okay, so I'm going to give as padding as 5%. It's wrong, so we are not going to use this one. So we are going to save this as 0, and we will give on this one. Okay, so this module, right? So in this full width slider setting. Okay, so let's go on design and see for the spacing. Okay, 5%, top and bottom. Okay, here also it is not coming. Okay, so because it is not setting that main thing, right? So for that we have to set the main content which you need to be explored, right? So let's go to the, let's save this, and again I'll show you. So now the main is this. Okay, so I'm going to open this, and this is our full width slider setting. Okay, so these are the contents, right? So I'm going to open this one section and go to design. After design, where is the spacing? So this is the spacing. So now this spacing is 0 pixels, so I'm going to set 5 pixel. Okay, so now it's moving. So let's set to 10 pixel, copy, and I'm going to paste it over here also. Okay, so 10 pixel, so you can just make it 15 and 15 both, right? So you can see the slide. Okay, so you can set an image also on this. So let's save this, and this below things I'll delete this, and I will copy the same things once again. Okay, so it is set now. So let's change this single colors and heading. Okay, so welcome to Fund of Web, but here I am going to do is that hello everyone. Okay, explore now, and this is the content. So background color, so you can change it to some yellow or blue. Okay, so this will be my background color. Let's save this one content, and if you don't need background color, then you can use the image also. Okay, so I'll show you how to choose an image. So let's select it. So I'm going to click on pictures. So I'm going to choose this. So let's open that, and it's still loading. So yes, upload it. So it's uploaded. Okay, so let's click OK. So but the text are not seen, so for that you can set a overlay. So let's click on that, and this is the image, right? So let's go to design, overlay, where you can use dark background overlay. Okay, so this is the overlay now. So you can use as a black with the transparent, how much ever you want. Okay, so let's set like this, and let's give OK. And now the third option is the same content, which is we are going to tell buy. Okay, and this is a background, so I'm going to choose the background color as red. So you can choose the background image also, as I have shown now. So in the this one image, it will show you some different kind of image. Okay, so I'll show you once again. So let's save this. So let's save this also. And so guys, if you click over here, so it is coming this one, 3 contents, which is 3 slides, right? So I will show you on any one. Click on buy. Okay, and this is the text module, this is the image, this is the background. Okay, so we are setting a background color or background image, right? So but I want to insert an image, so let's click on that, insert, and I will take this image only and show you. See, it's coming in a slide, but it looks awkward, so I don't use image only, so I use a background image which is best and suitable. Okay, so you can use the even video also. Okay, inside the background, so you can add a background video also. So guys, it is set, and let's save this work and save. So after saving it, don't try to update it back here, otherwise it will upload to default. So it's better we click on the pages and leave this page. Okay, so yes, always try to be on pages only, and when you are editing on this. Okay, so it is saved now. So guys, let's exit this visual builder, and we will be learning in next video how to use the blurb content and how to make a card and all. So guys, it is saved, and let's exit the visual builder. Okay, and let's see the output, how does it look. Okay, so this is a fund of web IT. So let's come, hello everyone, and the visual buy. Okay, so guys, in this video we have learnt that how to create a slideshow or a slider inside a WordPress. Okay, using Divi builder. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe, like, and share.